What if I told you that you are not broke because of the economy? You aren't even broke because of your job. You are broke because there is a 200,000-year-old survival machine inside your skull, forcing you to make financial mistakes. It feels like you're being logical. It feels like you need that purchase, but that is the illusion. Your brain is running outdated software in a modern world. It is designed to survive in the jungle, not to build a portfolio in the stock market. Today, we are going to unmask the silent biological traps that drain your bank account, and more importantly, how to finally shut them down.
Wake up! This is Unmasking Money.
Think about it. For 99% of human history, saving didn't mean compounding interest. It meant storing fat to survive the winter. Your ancestors didn't think in decades. They thought in hours. Avoid danger. Seek immediate reward. Stick with the tribe. If a caveman saw food, he didn't say, "I'll save this for my retirement in 40 years. He ate it immediately, because tomorrow wasn't guaranteed. Fast forward to today. When your brain sees money, it doesn't see future freedom. It sees a resource to be consumed now. This is what psychologists call present bias. Your brain prefers a guaranteed small pleasure today over a massive reward tomorrow. It's not that you are bad with money. It's that your biology is fighting against your wealth. And then there's the drug, dopamine. Every time you see a 50% off sign or a new phone launch, your brain releases a chemical flood. But here is the trick. Dopamine isn't about pleasure. It is about anticipation. You don't get the high when you own the item. You get the high when you buy it. That is why the moment you unbox that new gadget, the excitement fades. You are left with the bill and your brain is already looking for the next fix. Modern companies have weaponized this. Flash sales, one-click checkouts. They aren't selling products. They are hacking your neurology. But the sabotage goes deeper. We are tribal creatures. In the past, being cast out of the tribe meant death. So, we evolved to fit in. Today, we call this relative status bias. You don't actually want the $50,000 car. You just want a car that is slightly better than your neighbor's. You are spending money you don't have to impress people you don't even like. Social media has poured gasoline on this fire. You see the highlight reels of overnight millionaires and your brain panics. It screams, "I am behind. I need to catch up." So you spend to feel equal. But here is the unmasked truth. Wealth is not built by looking rich. It is built by acting independent. Now, let's talk about why you are afraid to invest. Psychologically, the pain of losing $1,000 is twice as powerful as the joy of gaining $1,000. This is loss aversion. Your brain screams, "Safety first." So you keep your money in cash. You wait for the perfect time to invest. You tell yourself you are being cautious, but while you are avoiding the short-term pain of market volatility, you are guaranteeing the long-term damage of inflation. Your brain is protecting you from a scratch while ignoring the cancer. So, is it hopeless? Are we slaves to our biology? No. The brain is programmable. You just need to update the software. Here's how you stop the sabotage. Number 1, create friction. Your brain loves easy dopamine. Make it hard. Delete your saved credit cards. Implement a 24-hour waiting rule for any purchase over $50. Kill the impulse before it kills your budget. Number 2, automate the process. Don't rely on willpower. Willpower is a limited resource. Set up automatic transfers to your investment accounts the moment you get paid. If the money isn't in your hand, your brain can't spend it. Number 3, Change the scoreboard. Stop getting your dopamine from spending. Start getting it from growing. Track your net worth, not your shoe collection. Teach your brain to love the feeling of a rising number rather than a new possession. You are not broke because you are incapable. You are broke because you were playing a game you didn't understand. But now, the mask is off. The sabotage is exposed. Wealth isn't about IQ. It is about emotional control. Control the machine inside your head, and the money will follow. If you found value in this deep dive, consider joining our community by subscribing. We are unmasking the truth about wealth, one chapter at a time. And before you go, I want to hear from you. Which of these brain traps has been your biggest silent saboteur? Let's discuss it in the comments below. This is Unmasking Money. See you in the next chapter.